Alright, this is a John Deere D105. Nothing wrong with the mower. Only thing that it needs is the general transmission secondary pulley needs to be replaced. And we're going to do that today. Just going to go over here and check the oil real quick on it. I'm going to crank it up to show y'all. There it is. Oil doesn't look that bad. So that's the problem. She's a no-go, but we're gonna make her a go. Yeah, so the guy I got it from actually took it to a lawn service repair company here locally, and they basically told him that it was not worth repairing. So here's some of the paperwork that I got with the replacement kit, and this is to replace the driven kit. Part number MIA 12482, and that's what it looks like right there. They send you the kit, send you the little washer that goes on the bottom, the spring, the pulley, the screw, the belt, all that good stuff. So there is part of the secondary pulley unit, what's left of it, and that's what we're gonna get at. So we're gonna probably drop the transmission. I know there's some YouTube videos out there where you can drop the transmission or pull the body up and wiggle it around, but I think we're just gonna drop the transmission. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the deck, because I wanna get under there and just kind of see what I'm working with. Right, folks, I'm brush on some of this Osfo. Stops rust, prepares it for paint. So I'm gonna be painting that under deck right there. So I'll get started. Alright, so I got one of the spindles here. I'm gonna spin it. Can't hardly hear nothing. Here's the other one, and let's see if we can hear. Oh yeah. I'm gonna break this one apart and just check the bearings, see what they look like. That top bearing a little dirty. The bottom one got something in it. Alright, let's pop them out. Right, so upon further inspection, I think I'm just going to try to pop out the bottom one, because if you listen, that's the top. Flip it around. That's the one that's grinding. So that's the one I'm going to try to get out. From the looks of the spacer that was in there, it does appear that they were pumping grease into it. It's a little dirty, so it was like this on there. The dirty little secret behind these spindles is they give you a place to pump the grease, and if you can see in there, nope, you can't. I don't know if you can tell, but those bearings that are in there are open, so they will get grease up in there. That's dirty though, so I'm going to clean it. The bottom bearing is sealed up. That's the bottom, and that is the part that's supposed to be getting grease to it, so it wasn't. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm almost positive that I can get to that secondary pulley without having to drop the transmission. So I'm going to try it. First we have to take this wheel off. So this is a comparison of the new and old fixed flange, and you can see all this wore out. It's not hexed anymore. So I'm going to try to replace it without dropping the transmission. The old washer's still in there, so I'm going to leave it alone. And the belt really doesn't look like it's all that bad of a shape, so I'm going to leave it there also. I just have some extra pieces in the future. So I'm just going to try to bring this fixed piece right through here. Right to there. That piece. Next is going to be the mobile flange. Bring that in from the top right here. Oh, wrong. Next is the belt and the mobile flange. So to keep this mobile flange down because of the belt, see, if I take this off, it jumps up and I won't be able to screw it in right. So what I did was I pull this belt out. Alright, make sure that this is flush, and I can see the hex right here pretty good. With a little pressure I hold it down and I clamp it and hold it. Alright, so this is what I came up with the spring. Zip tied the first 3 coils on it, and the idea is that we'll get a little pre-compression. We'll set it on the stud here, and from there we shouldn't have that much further to press it down and start it up. Then we'll just cut the zip ties off and we should be good to go. Be patient with me here. It's pretty easy, but it's not easy. Catch my drift. Sorry about that. Put that on there. I'm gonna put this extra little washer on there because what I've seen is that this hole right here wallers out, and that's what causes the problem. And then I don't know if you're supposed to put any Loctite or anything on there, but I put a little bit on my screw, so we're gonna drop that in there like that. For this next part, you're not gonna get a good look at it because my hands will be in the way, but you should understand what I'm trying to do here. All right, just like that, it's on. So I'm gonna drive it down a little further, and then we'll get them zip ties off. All right, I feel like I got it drove down far enough, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling the zip ties. All right, how's it look? Doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and torque it down to spec, which is like 19.5 pounds. Y'all don't need to watch that. All right, I also got to replace the drive belt because it's cracked. So I already took the guide off on the very back pulley to pull the belt out. Now y'all can just watch me work. There it is. Look at that. Oh yeah.